Ever fumbled with multiple payment apps, wishing there was just one easy solution? You're not alone. In today's digital world, juggling finances can feel like a high-wire act. Freelancers know the struggle, chasing invoices on one platform, managing client payments on another, and then there's the whole "where do I keep my business funds?" question. Enter Novo. This challenger bank has been making waves with its features specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. But with all the bells and whistles, one question lingers: does Novo integrate with PayPal? If you're a freelancer who relies on PayPal for transactions, this is a crucial point. Let's dive deep and see if Novo can become your one-stop financial shop. Freelancers and the PayPal paradox. For many freelancers, PayPal is a familiar friend. It's easy to set up, widely accepted, and offers a sense of security for both you and your clients. But as your business grows, limitations become apparent. International transactions can be a hassle, fees start to add up, and managing separate accounts becomes cumbersome. This is where a business-focused bank like Novo comes in. Novo offers features like dedicated business accounts, automated expense categorization, and integrations with popular accounting software. Sounds great, right? But if it can't seamlessly work with your existing PayPal workflow, the switch might not be so smooth. The good news: Novo and PayPal, BFFs? Hold on to your hats, freelancers, because the answer is yes. Novo integrates beautifully with PayPal. This means you can connect your Novo account to your PayPal, allowing for a much smoother financial experience. Let's break down the benefits. Effortless transfers, no more juggling accounts. Seamlessly transfer funds between your Novo account and PayPal, streamlining your workflow. Say goodbye to fees. For many transactions, moving money between your Novo and PayPal accounts incurs no additional fees. This can be a significant cost-saving advantage, especially for high-volume freelancers. Centralized view, consolidate your finances. With Novo and PayPal integrated, you can see all your transactions in one place, giving you a clearer understanding of your business's financial health. Connecting Novo and PayPal, a breeze. The good news continues. Connecting your Novo and PayPal accounts is a breeze. Here's a quick rundown. Log into your Novo account. Navigate to the Apps tab. Click Add Integration under the Revenue section. Select the PayPal integration. Log into your PayPal account. Grant Novo permission to connect. That's it. You've successfully linked your Novo and PayPal accounts. Now you can enjoy the benefits of both platforms seamlessly. A few things to keep in mind. While the integration is fantastic, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Double-check fees. While many transfers are free, there might be charges for specific transactions. Always check the fees before initiating a transfer. International transactions. International transfers may still incur additional fees. Be sure to factor these into your calculations when working with overseas clients. Novo and PayPal, the verdict. So, the verdict is clear: Novo integrates beautifully with PayPal. This is a major win for freelancers who rely on PayPal for their business. With seamless transfers, reduced fees, and a centralized view of your finances, Novo and PayPal can become a powerful duo for managing your freelance income. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.